The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of planets and the Sun, plus other objects that orbit it either directly or indirectly. As currently explored, our solar system is known to contain one star, the Sun, 8 planets, 166 moons orbiting those planets, 8 asteroids, and more than 100 Kuiper belt objects larger than 300 km in diameter. Tens of thousands of smaller but well-studied asteroid and Kuiper belt objects, myriad comets a few kilometers in diameter, and countless meteoroids less than 100 meters across. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. The vast majority of the system's mass is the Sun. The 4 smaller inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are terrestrial planets, being primarily composed of rock and metal. The 4 outer planets are giant planets, being substantially more massive than the terrestrial. The 2 largest, Jupiter and Saturn, are gas giants, and the 2 outermost planets, Uranus and Neptune, are ice giants. Human knowledge of the basic content of the solar system remained largely unchanged from the ancient time until the early 17th century, when the invention of telescope made more detailed observation possible. Galileo was the first to capitalize on this new technology. By the end of 19th century, astronomers had found Saturn's ring, the planets Uranus and Neptune. As we proceed through the solar system in the next few videos, we will seek to understand how each planet compares with our own and what each contribute to our knowledge of the solar system as a whole. Hope you enjoy the video. At the last, we want to tell you, soon we are going to start a series of videos about the extensive knowledge of geographical information system and remote sensing. So kindly subscribe to our channel GS Planet. It's 100% free. Thanks for watching.